Well, this is Eric again. It's about 6 o'clock, I think. Anyway, I posted a video earlier where I found the bird in the road. I think it's recovered enough to be released back into the wild now. So we're going to give that a shot. See how it goes. I've been keeping it in the closet where it's dark because he's starting to fly around. I think he's getting nervous. Here he is. We're going to take him out. See what he does. Be careful, these birds are pretty delicate. I don't want to hurt him. I called the Tennessee Aquarium to see if they might be interested in taking this bird in, but they said they couldn't. I think he's pretty well recovered. I think he's good to go, so we're going to try it and see what happens anyway. Hopefully he'll be alright. I'm sure he'll be happy to go. Taking him out here in my yard. I keep all my bird feeders. Well, there's my cat. That's not good. Anyway, let's try it. Alright, buddy. You're free to go. You want to go? Come on. You don't want to go? Go on, cat. Come on, buddy. You don't want to be free? Well, I don't know. This is unusual behavior for a bird, so I think I'm going to keep him for another day. Anyway, I'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching.